Northwestern Wood County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 22 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from North Arlington to Yorkville to near Plano, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Source, impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Naperville and Aurora around 2:30 p.m. Woodridge, Bolingbrook, Glen Ellen. p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from North Aurora to near York. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree to mobile homes, roofs. By these severe thunderstorms include Oak Block Terrace. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. And while around 2:30. Special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a room on the lowest floor of a building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Until 4:30 p.m. At 2:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elgin to 7 nautical miles southwest of Aurora to 19 nautical miles west of Joliet, moving east at 45 Joliet. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Wilmer Harbor, Jackson Ark Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores Epping Harbor, and 59th Street Marina. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. This is no weather radio.